Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast with Lily. I'm Lily.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy to have you here. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss our weekly stories to help your English grow.
That's right. Today we have a very special story. Alex, have you ever felt like you were failing at something?
Oh, all the time, especially when I first started learning a second language. I felt like every sentence I said was broken.
Well, today's story is for everyone who feels that way. It's a motivational tale called The Glass Bird.
It's a beautiful story about an apprentice named Leo and a very wise grandmother. Pay attention to the simple vocabulary and don't forget to listen for our lesson at the end. Let's dive in.
Meet Leo. Leo is a glass sculptor. He has a big dream, but he has a small problem. Every time he tries to make a bird, it breaks. Crack. Oh no! Leo wants to give up. He looks at the clock. Only 1 hour left. Suddenly, his grandmother enters. She is a master sculptor. She doesn't look at the broken glass with sadness. She smiles. She says, "Leo, look at the pieces. They are not trash. They are the start of something new. Don't try to make a perfect bird. Just make one wing." Leo starts again. He is fast. He is careful. He is focused. He uses the heat of the fire. He doesn't think about the king. He only thinks about the wing. The clock is ticking. Tick, tock, tick. Done. The bird is finished. It is not perfect, but it is beautiful. Leo realized that he didn't need to be a master. He just needed to keep trying. Success is not a straight line. It is 1,000 small pieces put together.
Wow, success is not a straight line. I think I needed to hear that today, Alex.
Me too, Lily. For our English learners out there, your mistakes are just like those broken pieces of glass. They aren't failures. They are the materials you use to build your fluency.
Exactly. Focus on one wing today. Maybe one new word or one short sentence. Don't worry about being perfect.
If this story inspired you, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Your support helps us keep creating these stories for you.
Keep dreaming, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.